Hello, welcome guys. In this video, we are going to talk about TCS Topper Test. So in this video, I will completely guide you how you will get TCS Topper Test link, what's the procedure, and what's the difference between TCS Digital Offer and TCS Ninja Offer, and how you will get TCS Ninja Offer and TCS Digital Offer. I will completely guide you about TCS recruitment process. So in your screen you can easily see that I have given one flow chart. So I will discuss this flow chart and I will explain you everything. Once you have appeared for TCS NQT, you have chance for get a TCS digital offer. So how you will get TCS digital offer, what's the procedure, everything I will explain in this video. So be continue with us. Before going to start, I request you to, if you are new in this channel and you have not subscribed this channel yet, please press on that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, please comment us, and if you want any information, you can comment and you can ask. I have another notification for you. If you are going to appear for NQT or interview, if you are going to appear for any other interviews, or if you have appeared for interview, you can share your interview experiences with us. How you can share your interview experiences with us? I have given you my email address. You can see below, foxtechacademy@gmail.com. You can send your interview experiences with us. And yes, if you are worried about your interview and want you that we schedule your interview before going to appear for your actual interview, we are here to schedule your interview for you. We have IT experts. We will schedule interview for you. So yeah, if you are worried about your interview, you can email us. We will schedule your interview, so that after interview we will provide you your feedback, interview feedback, so that based on that feedback you can work on your weaknesses, and before going to appear in your actual interview, you can overcome all your problems or your weaknesses. So that's things. So let's get started. First I will show you the email. First I will show you email what a student receive related to digital offer or digital topper test. So in front screen you can see that this is the email what a student receive, TCS off campus hiring selection, off campus toppers test process. In this email they describe everything. I will first read that email, then I will show you flow chart. What's the process of getting digital offer, what is TCS Ninja offer, everything. So let's get started. You can see that, dear candidate, greeting from TCS, trust you are doing good. Congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that basis your performance in TCS off-campus hiring, you are shortlisted for that off-campus toppers test. So what is this TCS off-campus hiring process? Once you apply for NQT, once you apply for TCS, they given you one link for assessment. That assessment is called NQT, National Qualifier Test. If you do good exceptionally in NQT, it means if you score too much good, excellent in the NQT, you will get topper test link. Or if you just pass that NQT test, got average score, you will get TCS Ninja offer direct. So once you get a TCS topper test link, once you appear for topper test, and if you have done good in topper test and passed that topper test, you will get a TCS digital offer. Or suppose in any case you are not able to clear that topper test, no need to worry about. You will get TCS Ninja interview offer after that also. So they have clearly mentioned, let's read. You will be receiving an email shortly from our test partner, TCS ION. TCS ION is nothing, it's a platform where TCS is going to organize online test. So in TCS ION they have NQT test, thus they are considering test from here. TCS ION on off-campus toppers test schedule. Please note that the TCS off-campus topper test will be conducted in remote mode only, and if you clear the same, you will get an opportunity to appear for an interview. Yeah, of course, if you clear the TCS off-campus topper test, you will get offer for TCS digital interview. They have also mentioned, please be informed that in the eventually if you being not able to clear the topper test, you will still get a chance to appear for ninja interview. Yeah, exactly, I have told you same. If you are not able to clear TCS topper test, you will still get a chance for TCS ninja interview. Let me show you first the hierarchy what I have created for TCS complete flow. So you can see in your front screen, TCS NQT topper test for digital offer. Yeah, exactly, test for digital offer. So here you can see that in front screen it's visible. Once you apply for TCS, you need to give assessment of TCS NQT, and once you qualify TCS NQT exam, you have two options for that. You don't have, they will give you two options. If you have done very good, excellent in NQT score, you will get TCS NQT topper test link. And if you have done average in NQT and just pass NQT, you will get TCS ninja interview directly. And once you clear TCS ninja interview, you will get ninja offer. And if you are not able to clear ninja interview, you will be rejected and your hiring process will be end here. And in second case, if you are not able to clear NQT test, in this scenario also your recruitment process with TCS will be end. And suppose you have done very good in NQT and you got chance for NQT topper test, what email I show you. If you have done very good in NQT topper test and if you have cleared your NQT topper test, you will get opportunity to appear for TCS digital interview. And suppose you are not able to clear NQT topper test, still you have chance to appear for TCS ninja interview. You can see that. And if you clear TCS topper test, you will get TCS digital interview. And the last, if you clear the TCS digital interview, directly you will get TCS digital offer. And if you are not able to clear digital interview, your hiring recruitment process will be end here. So guys, this is the complete flow of TCS NQT I have shown you in that video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and you like this video. If you have any query, you can ask. We will try to give you answer for that query. And yeah, of course, if you have appeared for any other interviews and want to share experiences with us, we are here to welcome you. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.